Okay.
That is so stupid.
I know.
Oh, someone's already been that one, so be careful.
It's fine. Go get it. Get it, boy. Go get it. Oh, GeForce Experience takes so long to open. Okay, I'm recording this whole session.
Oh my god, this is so stupid. Alright, Marcus, Joe will pick you back up and I'll stay there, and then we'll get the one at downtown. After you guys get the one at airport.
Yep.
Wait, there's one at airport?
Yep.
Should we get loadout?
Oh,
Wait,
no.
where's the loadout?
No,
Where is
okay,
it?
I'll get it. No, you go back and get Marcus and I'll get it. No, you go back and get Marcus after you get it, alright?
Yep.
And then take him there and then take him to airport. Oh
Take
my
me
god,
to
two
the
helis
loadout?
are just loading that, or is just dropping the loadout. That's so stupid idea. That's
I
a
swear it
stupid
just
idea.
said
That's
missile
stupid.
locking on the top bar.
Oh no. Go. Oh wait, no, that was just a
Guys,
new
hurry
loadout
up!
thing.
I need you to get back.
I'm
We're coming,
coming
we're
as fast as I can with a heli.
You guys are taking so long.
Alright, so Joe, you get Marcus and you get him to the loadout and then get him to the thing at airport, and then once you guys are all back, we'll get the one
You
at
mean
downtown.
military base?
Yeah, it's military phase.
Oh yeah, military base.
We need to go to military.
Oh wait, no,
quick.
no, guys, don't get that one. It's gotta be in gas anyway.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Should I get the loadout?
Okay,
Yeah, just get, bring him to the loadout and bring him back here, and we'll get the one at downtown.
okay.
Guys, I'm
Oh
gonna
my
drop
God.
I have a thermal. I'm dropping it right here. Okay.
Dude, just look at the
Alright.
mini map. Just look at the mini map. Look at how many helis are on the mini map.
I'm dropping a thermal right here.
There's so many.
There's 3 helis.
Riley,
Squad
Riley.
up.
Riley, drop yours
Squad
off
of
like right.
helis. Get in.
Yeah, like right there.
Get in.
Guys,
Oh,
be
get in,
careful.
get in.
Someone
go
just,
to the loadout.
some.
Loadout.
Oh!
Riley, overwatch the helis by staying in air so you can see everything around it, okay?
Oh, okay.
It's the safest way.
And so if a missile locks, I'll just die.
yes. No,
Overwatch is secure.
Do you like Overwatch?
Oh my god.
Yeah, I was so
We
scared.
got
I was
5
so
helis,
scared I was gonna
remember?
say
Oh wait, no, we're
missile
gonna
locking.
have 6 helis.
I'm so
Wait, we
scared.
No,
might
just
actually be able to get the one at military. We might actually be able to get that.
You can get it. There's just no reason to.
No, we go get
Why?
it. We go get it anyways.
Oh my
We're
god.
on the way there.
Oh, the most wanted's right there, right above this, right next to this heli.
Okay, just get the
I'm
loadout.
exiting.
Get the loadout. Come on. Get the loadout. Get in.
Riley, use the thermal. Riley, use the thermal.
We gotta be
No, I don't
fast.
need it. I have my loadout, bro.
Get in.
No, use it to like look for people.
No,
On, let's
he
go.
probably has.
No, I'm in the air, bro.
Well, okay, mark the military base heli. Okay. If we make
I
it,
did.
we'll get
Watch for the trees, bruh.
it.
We need to go now. We have a little bit of time.
Oh, you're gonna make it. We're gonna make it.
Riley, are you just flying around?
Yeah,
Riley
that's
should
what Joe told me to do.
Yeah, because you can see better with the heli. Okay, get out. Go get it. I'm going back.
Ready? Go back.
I'm going back.
Did you get him
This
to the
is
loadout?
stupid. Onto a
Yep.
next level. Just yeah, we have
I
all the
know.
helis.
Dude, we're gonna have 7 when we're done.
We have all the helicopters.
Joe, you need to upload this as a YouTube video.
I know. I'm
Collecting
recording right now.
Collecting 7 helicopters in Warzone. Oh, my god.
Marcus, post it on your channel too.
I'm not recording. I'm not
Okay.
recording.
I know, but Joe can send it to you.
No. I'm
Okay.
not. Okay, yeah, fine. I'll just send it to them.
No. It's
Bro,
okay.
it's more clout, bro.
Yeah. More views, more views.
No, it's okay.
Well, actually, it'll be a bad thing since it'll be from my point of view compared to yours normally.
Riley, you go with Joe and get that. But you need to
Okay.
make it quick, okay?
Yeah. Actually, yeah. Oh no. We're not gonna leave this unattended. Marcus, I'm gonna have you get the heli. Riley's still gonna stay and watch.
Okay.
You almost made
Right,
a
well,
swastika
first
with
I
the
need to
helis,
land
okay.
this.
You legit.
I need to land
that
this
one.
first.
Don't run into me. No.
This is so.
Oh my god, what if someone just looked at Stadium and saw this?
Helicopter sex party.
Oh, guys, I know what we need to do. Once these are gonna be out of gas, because eventually they will, probably.
Wait, they're
Joe,
out of
yeah,
gas?
Over here.
Wait, they're out of gas?
What? No,
No.
once they're out of
No.
gas.
Out
like,
of
out of the
gas.
zone. Out of
Okay.
the zone.
Yes.
Okay.
Once they're out of zone, we need to all get in them and fly them forward, then jump out and get the next set. Just have them all blow up into downtown.
No, that's not gonna work because like that's just too dangerous.
Well,
No
we don't have anything else to
way.
do with them. Or we can just all bring them. We can just bring all of them into zone.
Yeah, just park them somewhere else on another high building. Go get.
Joe, go. I'm gonna.
Okay. Going back.
Joe, don't run into me.
Dude,
Don't run into
dude,
me.
you know what we
I
should
think
do?
I'm getting shot at.
Dude, we should actually sell like players. Like,
Yeah, I got shot at.
dude, we should actually sell players helicopters now. Like, this is
You want one? Come get one.
10,000 a pop.
No.
Use helicopter salesman, guys. Use helicopter salesman.
And then we sell
Why
them and
do we
just
have
blow
to-
them up on the way. Oh, dude, who has C4s? Who has C4s?
I have C4.
I have
C4.
I have a C4.
Dude, place C4
Place them
on
on
2
four.
each.
Place them on 4.
Which one? Which one?
Place them
Which
on these
one?
4.
But I only have two. I only have one.
I only have one.
You only? Oh, I thought you had 2.
Okay, I'm gonna place on this
No.
one so I know like which one it's gonna blow up.
Yeah, that is one with the skin.
Dude, the people can see it from there. Helicopters. Stupid. Okay, well, cover me. Let me take
Where
a
should I
photo.
place? Where should I place mine? Where should I place mine?
Joe, I'll send you this for a thumbnail.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm gonna do it too.
Okay.
I'ma do
Okay.
it
So
too.
I placed a C4 right on the bottom of that
Wait,
right
Joe,
heli.
Joe, move out of the way. Joe, move out of the way.
Okay.
Joe, move out of the way.
I got print screen too. Hold
Ready?
on. I gotta take a thumbnail too.
This
No.
is so
Oh,
funny.
that guy was a car over. He'd be like, "What is going on?"
I know, just see off in the distance. Wait, what?
Oh, they just got
What?
out.
Where?
There was a car.
Oh,
No,
no, no,
get him!
Get him!
I downed him.
We got him? Okay.
Stop shooting. Stop shooting. Stop shooting.
That
stop
heli's done.
shooting.
That heli's
Probably
done.
just destroyed
heli's
that
dead.
heli. Oh my god. Y'all just lit him up, bro.
Wait, how much? Oh my god, it has like half health. It has like half
It's
health.
fine. It's
Oh
fine.
my
Fine.
God.
We gotta stand guard. We gotta stand guard over the helis.
Wait,
Dude,
Joe,
we all
Joe,
just
Joe.
lit
Joe,
him
Joe,
up.
Joe.
Yeah.
Joe, put your C4 on this
It's,
heli.
yeah.
right
There's
here.
a C4 right on the belly of that heli.
I put it
Guys,
on. I put mine
Does
on
anyone
it
have a
too.
munitions
Wait, no.
box? I'm-
Take yours off. Put it on a different heli. We don't need 2
Guys, I'm
C4s.
out of AR ammo.
Which one? Which one?
The one
I'll
right
put it
dab
on-
in the middle.
No,
Straight
this
dab in
one,
the middle. Straight right dab in the middle.
Whoa, I'm getting sniped at.
No, I'm gonna put it on this one because this one's like the furthest away.
Yeah, but it's the most damaged, so no one's gonna take that.
That's true.
Mark, just do it
Yeah,
on
the
the one I
middle
marked.
one's like really.
So this is right dab in the middle. Oh, I have a sniper, right?
Yep.
I have an HCR. I'm also trying to snipe. There's no one. Like, is there people?
I have a what's it called? A thermal, so I can like see the top of buildings and stuff.
Yeah, well, there's a thing called eyes you can use. to also see-
Nobody's up there.
Yo, who dropped this kilo, bro?
Dude, I legit want people to drive past us and
No,
watch.
don't take my kilo. Don't take that. I
Does
just
anyone
using
have
this
any extra
setup.
ammo, bro? I need,
Someone
I
just
need
bought
ARM.
back. Bought back. Right above us.
Watch
right
it,
above us.
watch this, guys. Watch this, guys. Hold on, I got this.
Joe,
Where are
I need
they?
ammo.
What type?
Guys,
what
where are
type?
they?
What type?
Right
AR.
there.
Here, take
Guys,
some.
right there.
Take 30. Take 30.
Thank you. God.
Where are they? Where are they? Go get them.
Right there.
Mark their person. Okay, I got this.
I
You
did.
did.
Okay, mark them again. I can't see above me.
Right there.
I literally. Okay,
What are they doing?
they're trying to avoid me.
They're not getting a helicopter.
Knocked his armor. Downed him. Got him.
Let's go.
No way.
Dude, they must hate us.
Is
I
that
know.
a person?
Come in for a landing.
Get out.
I know.
So,
Oh my god, this is amazing.
this is
I've never
actually
seen
so
anything
This is the
better than
funnest
this.
thing I ever had in Warzone. Except for like park
Oh wait,
some
we actually
plunder.
have ring for a little bit.
My god.
Guys, we have to camp like this.
They'll see us, you know. Your feet is
Yeah,
literally sticking
dude.
out.
Because they're
They'll
not
just
gonna,
get
they're
in and
not
slice
gonna,
us up.
They're not gonna look on the mini map and see 6 helicopters perfectly. Oh, other side.
Where?
Kids like
Did they
right
just
on the buy
land?
station. That,
Yo,
I
yo,
think they're
Marcus,
either
Marcus, do you have any
they're
AR
under.
ammo?
They're under. I have 69.
Okay, someone should
Can I have
literally
some?
fly over us and just watch. Okay.
I'll
Someone
give
Marcus,
please.
I'm fresh
you-
out of ammo. Marcus, just give me 30. I'm fresh out.
Guys,
Thank you.
guys, someone should really just like fly over us with a heli.
Oh, we don't even have zone.
You
How
can
about
do
all
that.
3 of us take a heli?
Yeah. No, it will only take us 2.5 trips.
Okay, let's do it. Let's do it.
Between the
Where
force
do we move these helis? Oh
Where
no,
do
no,
we
we're gonna get
land,
killed.
though?
Oh,
We're gonna get killed.
There's
no,
nowhere
we
to
got this.
land.
We got
Crunchy,
this. No,
I
we
have
got
the
this.
power
Right
to.
here.
Crunchy, no. We each take the heli.
No.
Oh wait, hold on. Okay, we each take the heli that our friend has a TNT on, so we can actually blow up each other's heli in case they get hijacked or something. How about that?
Yeah, take this one, Riley. Take
Oh
this
my
one.
God.
Take this one.
So,
That's
so,
mine.
so- no,
Alright,
Riley.
everyone take-
I have rallies. I can blow up rallies. Someone should be able to blow
Okay.
up mine, just in case.
Yeah, Joe, blow up this one. This one. That's
Joe,
mine.
blow it up. Joe, blow it up.
Blow it up.
No, stop.
Waste the C4.
Don't.
Okay. Alright,
Crunchy,
everyone take one. Everyone
Riley,
take one.
Riley, where do you put your C4?
I don't
No,
have
mine
one.
is right here. Mine's right here.
Yo,
Just
your
get
C4?
that-
It doesn't matter.
It's
Alright,
fine.
just
Yes,
get
it's on
in.
the back.
Let's go. Okay. The only one we can't blow up is Marcus's, which is fine.
Let's just go. Let's just
go.
all 3 of us.
So Riley, if you get in trouble and some guy just flies onto you, we can just blow it up.
ATV right below us. ATV right
Yo,
below us.
people.
Where?
Where?
Guys, just fly above
Ram
everything.
them?
Just fly above everything.
Yeah, just fly above.
What just happened?
I'm trying to
Riley.
get these people.
Riley. Oh, we're getting them?
There goes my C4. Hold on, I dropped flares on them. I'll drop flares on them.
Where are they?
Right here, below me. Right below me.
Downed one.
Oh, one right in front of me.
Where's the other one?
What just?
I don't care. I killed him.
Okay, I'll be the one person who still was a heli left. Oh, this guy's sniping at me.
Dude, he had a cluster strike.
Oh yeah, so this guy. Or
Guys,
something,
guys,
at
get
least.
in, get in.
UAV, bruh.
Get in and get a new heli. Guys, everyone get in and get a new
Dude,
heli.
he had an RPG
Just
7.
get in.
Dude, there's tons of ammo.
I know, it's fine.
Yeah.
Shut up. Chill out.
Go.
Alright,
Go.
bring us back to the
No.
helis, bring us back
Oh,
to
no,
the
they're
helis.
in zone. They're in zone.
What, the
Bring
heli?
us back to the helis. Oh.
Yeah,
crap.
look at the helis.
You mean they're out of zone?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they're
Oh,
out.
so-
Wait, I have a gas mask. Do you think I'll be able to get
No,
that?
you won't.
No.
You'll literally get
Well,
like
you
12
can,
seconds.
but it'll be hard.
You'll literally get like 12 seconds.
Hey, Riley.
Hey, Marcus.
I have
One
max
can-
ammo
okay,
now, so-
if they're on the left
Yeah,
side,
same.
all of you switch to the left side, okay?
Guys, let's go in there. Alright, I'm getting out.
What?
Why won't
Where
I
are we
get
going?
out?
Where are you
I'm
going?
I'm going to there because I have a sniper.
Oh,
Gulag
Gulag's
is
closed.
closed. We didn't even
Oh, you tried to
get
get there?
do Gulag.
Um,
You just got shot at.
yeah, there's a
Wait,
sniper.
was that Joe?
Someone pick me up. This is a bad idea.
Mid-air pickup, okay.
Oh my god, I almost died. Can you guys get me?
Yeah, don't get too
Let's go.
close.
Let's go.
Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be able to pick you up.
Yeah,
Actually.
get me. I'm literally right below you.
Okay, I
I'm
thought you were still-
literally right below you.
Okay.
Oh, come on. Why'd you have to move?
What?
Go.
Gonna get him.
Go. Come on, just go.
Oh, there's this guy right there. This guy right there
Cover.
at loadout.
Where are they? Where?
Oh,
In the
Let's
house,
go,
in the
let's
house,
go.
in the house.
Should we gang on him? Gang
I
him?
guess. We're game
Oh
banging.
yeah,
Gang.
Riley jumped out.
Yeah, why don't you guys go? I'm just
It's
gonna
only one, bro.
He's
We can
in
get
the
him.
he's in the window. I just saw him upstairs.
quiet. Go
There's
quiet.
only one. We can get him, bro.
Oh no, I'm just gonna stay as distraction in Overwatch.
Killed him.
That's
him.
good.
Jeez.
Killed him.
Yeah.
I'll be
Wait,
distraction.
why did I pick up a default?
Did you shake him down?
Yeah, we did.
No, I didn't shake him down.
Well,
Don't worry,
you guys
Marcus,
want
I
to get
did.
in? Well, you guys want to get in the heli?
Yes. Come down here, bro.
Dude, we're literally 10th.
Riley, they're gonna blow us up.
coming.
We're literally 9th right now.
Chill.
If we die right now, we'll place 9th. After we collect this
Eighth,
7,
actually.
8th now.
Eighth.
After we collect this 7 helis.
Dude,
Alright.
how many kills do you guys
If you
have?
hear
I have 0.
anything, get out.
I have 3.
Guys, do you realize how hard it is to hear an RPG? So just keep moving.
I know, that's what I'm doing. Yum. I'm sorry it's making you
Use
hard to
cover,
snipe, but
cover,
like,
cover,
I have to
cover.
move.
I can't snipe them. You're moving that much. They're
Go.
literally still.
I know.
Guys, right there, right there.
Where?
Okay, go. Dude, it's like a chopper gunner. Just both of you start firing. It's like we have miniguns.
Right there.
Dude, we're literally gunship right now. We're literally gunship.
Right there, too, right there.
Oh crap!
God,
Taking
the
fire! Taking
HDR
fire!
is so bad.
Frenchie, right under you. The guys you're fighting, taking fire from them.
What? Right under? What do you mean?
Oh, I'm like I looked like the right under, but it was the people you were
Guys,
fighting.
we're gonna get 6th place.
Yeah.
Most of them are solos, by the way. Most of them are solos.
No, most of them are. Oh yeah, right. Most of them
Right
are either
there,
duos
right
or
there,
Oh
solos.
my god, this HDR is so
And this building.
inaccurate.
Whose HDR is that?
It's some random dude's HDR.
Oh well, that's probably
Oh, I hit
why.
him for armor, right there.
Oh crap, I'm getting him, I'm getting him.
What? What do you expect? What do you
Alright, we got
expect me
drop,
to
we
do
got
with a
drop,
heli?
bro. We got drop.
No, we got
What do
this.
we
There's people
do?
right
What do we
under
do?
us.
We're gonna stay in as long as we want, as long as we can.
Yeah.
Oh, crap.
Riley,
Alright,
what are
can
you doing?
pick me up
Riley,
then?
what are you doing?
I'm dropping
Dude,
out.
there's people
You,
right under you.
you guys just got RPG'd.
We didn't.
Yes, you did.
but
I didn't hit
it
you.
missed.
Yeah.
Joe,
I
go
literally
down.
just saw it.
Where?
Joe, let him get in. Let him get in.
So he wants to be picked up.
Fine,
Okay.
I'll
He
get it.
literally just said like, I want to get out. Okay.
Woo.
Switch sides. Switch sides. Oh. Switch sides.
Come get me, come get me, come get me.
Hold on. Marcus,
Go,
Marcus, go
I'm
get him.
safe.
Marcus, go get him. I'll distract.
I'm safe, I'm safe.
They're right there.
Oh crap.
What the fuck?
You know what? I'm taking one for the team.
Please get me. I have a cluster strike. I have a cluster strike. I have
Right,
a
he's
cluster
Got one.
coming.
No.
Joe, get us. Joe, get us.
Okay,
Joe,
hold on.
get us.
Yep.
Joe, I have a cluster strike. I literally have a cluster strike.
Oh my
What
god,
the?
you're so stupid.
Oh, you
You're so stupid.
idiot.
Dude, it wasn't my
You literally
fault.
told us not to do that, Joe.
No, I did not mean to get in. I was trying to pick up one of the weapons.
Stupid.
God.